This warm-up is the Penguin song warm-up. It's quite a familiar one, so you may have heard of it before. I find it great fun for large groups because it's silly, it's fun, and it's full of energy and character as well. Couple of things to watch out for. Singing is the priority. So make sure that that is the priority. So if they start compromising their voices by being too loud or by moving their bodies in a way that's not helpful, then tone it back, bring it back, and then let them go again. You'll see in a second that is movement with this song. And model it and enjoy being really silly. Some people will request, can we do shoulders and can we nod our heads and can we do it around in a circle? Of course you can. I personally would refrain, so not do nodding of head. So you want to kind of keep that fairly neutral even though you're jumping around. Be silly, have fun, and here's an example of how it might go. Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Alright? I always do the second half almost spoken and the first half sung. So let's sing it together. I'll go, then you go. Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Penguins, begin! People will have their own versions of it, whether it's penguins salute or whatever. I tend to do this version and I will do this throughout. We then just sing the song over and over again and we add in different things. I'm just going to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Right arm, here we go. Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Right arm, left arm, here we go. Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Right arm, right leg, here we go! Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Right arm, right leg, left leg, here we go! Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Right arm, right leg, left leg. Bottom out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Right arm, right leg, left leg. Bottoms out. Tongue out. I always explain at this point that this is very serious and there shouldn't be any giggling at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you ever had a penguin round for tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! So there you go, the penguin warm-up. Couple of things, I will always say, here we go, and then I jump up onto my toes. That's just instead of doing this as a conductor, that's just that conducting to say we're about to come in now, so up on toes. But don't form that habit if you can use your arms. It's only because I'm not using my arms and they're going to be doing the penguining that I go onto my toes to show that we're coming in. I also wait with the bottom out and the tongue out just because it's funny. And again, if you do this with kids and they know what's coming next, they'll try and preempt you. So just wait a little bit longer because it gives that suspense and it also means that they don't get carried away with it because they have to wait for you. Also, when you're leading the choir, you might want to think about doing the opposite arm. So if you're doing your right arm, for them it'll be their left. So in the video I use my actual right, left, but when you're leading, it might be helpful for you to do your left arm because they will mirror with their right. Unless you're in a circle, in which case, do your right arm. Enjoy and have fun, and let me know how you get on.